30 megapixel, oh what a blast. Zoom in so far, see your own past. Editing's smooth, no struggle, no fight. Even grandma looks young, what a delight. 4K video, so sharp it's absurd. Catch a bug sneeze without missing a word. Autofocus, faster than light. Locks on your face, holds on real tight. The touch bar, a magical feat. Swipe like a wizard, so easy, so sweet. Battery swap, oh what a breeze. Still got your old one? Canon says please. Menu so simple, even your cat could set them up and still look fat. Pro features, oh yes, it's not a hack. White balance, flash, nothing you will lack. And my old EF lenses, no need to despair. With the EF to RF adapter, they are back in the air.